to Department of Bioengineering under Techno India University Tripura. Biology have been evolved in various subjects like microbiology, biotechnology. In recent past, we have seen COVID-19 effects throughout the world. So here comes the biotechnologists who have come with vaccines and cure the world. Here in Techno India University, we are offering BTech in biotechnology, where we are following AICTE curriculum along with NEP 2020. Here we are focusing on industry-academia collaboration, where we are sending our students to different industries and institutions for their internships. So come and join Department of Bioengineering under School of Engineering and Architecture under Techno India University Tripura.